inside the arena in San Juan as the coverage gets better and better, and the crowd, of course, showing their support and their love for their respective schools, or the schools that they just love to support.
That's right. A lot of greens and yellows or golds here inside the arena. You can actually see and hear the crowd really enjoying the game.
Earlier today, Adamson winning over Ateneo in 3 straight sets, sending Ateneo to the number 4 seed, while Adamson at number 3, Cha Cruz finally breaking that offensive spell that LaSalle's been suffering, gets a 3-point or an easy point down the middle. Again, the round of boos enough for this almost pro UST crowd in the arena. Caballejo.
Mercado hesitated. Hindi siya nag-step agad. She paused for a while before stepping her foot.
Take a look here. That's what happens when a ball lands between 3 players, no? Usually really confuses 1 or 2. Banaticla just short on that hit.
The right thing in mind, but not enough juice on that attack.
UST with their fair share of errors here in set number 4, but they are still up by 1, 16 serving 17.
It's actually LaSalle who can't afford to commit any more errors.
And that was a perfect serve on the part of Cha Cruz. 17 all, catches the line exactly. Tusaran, the tip by Dimaculangan. Alarca, good coverage by UST on the floor. Isa Maizo, too short. And several shots of this fashion have been committed by UST. One from Banaticla, one from Isa Maizo. And these are going to cost them. LaSalle is on top now and by 1, 18-17.
But you know what I noticed is that for both teams actually, yung pag nag-umpisa mag-error, parang sunod-sunod. Then, of course, Isa Maizo.
What a comeback by Isa Maizo after that error.
And that's the kind of attitude that you want in a player after committing an error. Dapat hindi susundan ng error, but you have to make up for it.
Bawi agad, 18 all. And what a setup also from Dimaculangan, ano?
Let's see what LaSalle can do this time.
Gonzalez, not enough. Not nearly enough. A blocker for Steph Mercado.
This is what we mentioned. Look at this. Just one blocker won't help the cause of UST. And dun sila nagka-problema kanina earlier during the game na isa lang yung block sa attackers ng LaSalle.
Boos again as Esperanza serves. Banaticla, difficult angle. Alarca in the middle. Finds the point. LaSalle up by 2. 20-18. Shaq calls a timeout. We'll listen to UST.
Kailangan makareceive muna tayo para makapatay tayo sa atake. Kailangan pumuntos tayo. Okay na nakapuntos na. Lamang dalawa. Habo lang tayo. Ding, isa pa yan. Bubulakan mo lang siya. Paano na first pa rin? Baka na pero first court. Okay, sipag lang. Kaya ba? Kapit.
Coach Shaq just settling the nerves of the Tigresses. Isang good receive para maka-opensa tayo. Pabayaan nyo na lamang sila. Habulin natin. Yun lang ang point ni Coach Shaq over the cheers of the LaSalle crowd inside the arena.
Of course, Coach Shaq also recognizes the fact that if it extends to 5 sets, mas mahirap yung set na yun because it's a shorter set. You go only up to 15. And hindi ganun kahaba yung panahon mong humabol if in case you're down.
That's going to be out for Esperanza. I'm guessing there's going to be a practice session devoted entirely to serving.
I was about to say that. I was thinking that exactly. Na pagbalik nito mga batang ko.
Puro serve lang practice natin. No? Speaking of serves, Shakey's fast serve. Shakey's It's Fun Family Pizza.
Oh, but I think
was a point awarded to
the time, I think our scoreboard,
Yep.
there's a problem with our...
The scoreboard just went out, ladies and gentlemen. So the officials will do it manually. Tataasan nila yung score right now and hope that the crowd can see it. Well, at least you on watching us on Studio 23 won't have a problem. The crowd here, medyo mahihirapan sila dahil medyo maliit lang yung scoreboard sa
Correct.
tapat ng officials.
Actually, the scoreboard is behind us, but it's pretty small, not seen in all angles.
The score, oh, there it is. They've corrected it. It's 2018.
Or they can look at the big screen.
Like that 2019.
Once more serving, Aiza Michael.
LaSalle is on top by 1. Alarca. Great hit by Jack Alarca cross court.
You haven't seen much of these running attacks earlier on.
Because di sila makareceive na maayos, ano? But after a good receive, LaSalle able to execute. It's a 2-point advantage for LaSalle, 21-19. USD on the attack.
Possession is punished there. Number 4, that's Steph Mercado. Ito yung mga ayaw nila ngayon, ano? Yung mga simpleng error that would give an automatic point to USD.
Give me. Shakey's fast serve from Maru Banatikla. Shakey's, it's fun family pizza. Poor reception for Gohing or by Gohing. Di makulangan to Banatikla, tough angle. Di makulangan, back set. Gonzalez, block. And point, LaSalle. Gumaba was right there for the block on the lefty Gonzalez.
That is actually Maranyo getting the block.
22-20. LaSalle by 2. Caballero blocked, but out of bounds. Point USD. We're neck and neck here in set number 4.
And here you feel that both teams don't want to let go of the fourth set. Of course, for USD to finish it off right away and get that winning advantage over LaSalle. Pero ito namang LaSalle hanging on to extend it to 5 sets.
It's Gonzalez serving, and LaSalle having a hard time taking care of that. Di makulangan over to the other side. Caballero the tip. Cruz one-handed pickup. Bumabaw. Sends it straight down. Point LaSalle. 23-21. Shaq wants to talk things over again. Let's listen to USD.
Mag-activate na tayo sa cross court. Wala silang binabago naman eh. Ganun lang yung palo, hindi nakaka-straight. Ha? Akit na, dalawa lang yan, dalawa ha? Oo, babo, go!
USD unable to overcome that 2-point hump since the previous timeout of Coach Shaq. LaSalle fans wanting themselves to be heard. LaSalle taking some time to get out of the huddle. USD already on the court. USD chance. Ringing inside the arena. Bumabaw serving. 23. Serving 21.
No more room for mistakes for the LaSalle squad.
Tip there by Ortiz. Cruz. Di makulangan, Caballero. Yes!
Yeah, very effective as the outside hitter. Scored a lot of points.
Take another look here. The block was there. But
May butas sa gitna eh.
Ano? Pasok. 22 serving 23. Straight down sa Cruz. Set point. LaSalle.
But again, this is what we're saying. Never leave the hitters of LaSalle with just one blocker. Look at that. Isa na naman eh. And that, just gives us a big area for attack.
Anticlimactic finish to set number 4. A missed first ball by Caballejo gives LaSalle their second set of the match. We're tied at 2 sets apiece, and look at the LaSalle fans enjoying the action and loving the win in set number 4. Off to the final set. That's happening when we come back.